Hey, day 21. 3 weeks. And had total trauma yesterday. It's kind of been building with my computer. You know how that is. And stressing out a little bit because the computer's spinning a lot. So I called my computer guy. Thank God I have one. Took it down there. We added some additional RAM. And I got a whole lesson on computer brains, what pieces, parts, and that kind of thing. Plus, he was so generous. He gave me a loaner, a whoop-de-doo, high-powered, speedy kind of loaner. Things are moving along now. Wow. Talk about my heart having stopped all the spinning. But we're on track. Got a backup, a new computer, and we're going to the Oscars.